An Building Materials Joint Stock Company, otherwise known as An Building Materials, was established in 2018 as a subsidiary of An Phat Holdings, Southeast Asia's leading high-tech and environmentally friendly plastics enterprise. An Building Materials has a 28,000 square meter production facility with a capacity of 4.5 million square meter per year, located in An Phat Complex Industrial Park in Hai Duong City. With an outstanding strength in technology, comprehensive equipment system, closed production process with modern machinery, An is the leading manufacturer of a range of safe and environmentally friendly products. For example, SPC flooring, wall panels, ceilings, and other building materials. Since its establishment, An Building Materials has researched and developed its production activities with advanced and modern European technology platform. An parent company has acquired the German technology and is investing in training engineers and skilled workers, updating the developing trends of high-tech plastics industry, with the goal of making An Building Materials a pioneering high-tech architectural plastics enterprise in Vietnam. After 1 year of production, An was able to fulfill its production capacity, producing 200 containers per month, while meeting all rigorous requirements needed for the United States, Europe, Australia, Asia, and the African markets. The input materials are carefully researched by a team of experts, which is considered to be the most important factor in determining the product quality and durability. The main material constituting to the product is high-quality PVC plastic, which is blended with natural stone powder and other materials in compliance with strict standards. After that, the compound will be put into a high-tech extruding machine and then be printed out with different samples. Furthermore, we have invested in the 2-layer UV coating technology to make our products durable and eye-catching, as well as using German varnish to make them colorless, odorless, and environmentally friendly. After the manufacturing process, the products will be strictly controlled on design and quality before being moved to the packaging and warehousing department. In particular, An Building Materials owns the only high-tech automatic machinery system in Vietnam with an automatic material weighing, loading, unloading, and packaging robots. This is a closed operating system which prevents dust generation, ensuring a clean and safe environment for production and workers' health. With this strict production, management, and inspection processes, each product unit comes out with the enthusiasm and hard work of An employees. An Building Materials is a reputable pioneering manufacturer providing the total solutions for living spaces. Our standout product is SPC flooring, which is manufactured with modern imported machinery line, ensuring quality products provided for the market. Thanks to our advanced extrusion technology, our products are durable for 15 to 20 years, waterproof, fireproof, and scratch-proof. We have applied the Uniline flooring assembly technology, which is easy to assemble, easy to clean, and are suitable for all projects from civil to modern ones. In addition, with a variety of models and specifications with a thickness of SPC core from 3.5 to 6.5 millimeters and an IXPE or EVA layer of 1 to 2 millimeters thick to create strong and firm product durability, meeting the requirements of OEM orders, we have been able to rapidly expand our markets to the United States and Europe. With the aim of producing green and environmentally friendly products, we have built a closed business ecosystem in accordance with the waste treatment regulations, without causing any negative impacts on the environment as well as leaving any hard waste. We have attained ISO 9000-2015 International Standard on Quality Management System and ISO 14001-2015 International Standard on the Environmental Management System. Along with that, we are one of the few enterprises in Vietnam to obtain international prestigious certificates and standards such as Floor Score, the International Standard for Indoor Air Quality, REACH, the European standard ensuring safe use of chemicals within the limits allowed, CE certificate, SGS Critical Radiant Flux ASTM E648 for the ability to limit fire spread, Static Coefficient ASTM D2047-17 for slip resistance, Wear Layer Thickness ASTM F410-8 for abrasion resistance, and others. At An Cuong, we have a team of engineers specializing in assembly and R&D to develop new product models, upgrading product features, researching, and capturing market trends. Our R&D team is not limited to the domestic market and are also capable of undertaking OEM and ODM projects. As a result, we are confident to bring our products to the most demanding markets in the world. With its outstanding advantages, it is not difficult to realize that An Cuong Building Materials is in the strongest development stage. We commit and affirm that with our modern factory system, together with the world's leading production technology, we will provide our customers with a wide range of products with modern designs and outstanding quality, consistent with the global green architectural trend.